Hello everyone, welcome here. How to learn data structures. So here for beginners who are entering into software industry in special terms of coding or programming. So want to learn in IT very detailed steps. Let's see here. The data structures are very essential. So I am also asking this query to ChatGPT to get an information more accurately. So here I am submitting these details to you. Learning data structure can seem overwhelming at first. Structured approach can be exciting, enjoyable process, some steps that you need to learn in data structures. So what we need to do first? So it's a very super easy and essential steps where we need to follow to understand the basics. Before diving into complex, even any programming language you take or any data structures you take, where we have to concentrate on basic steps. Once we clear the basic steps, then we need to take it appropriately in the next steps. So don't try to be and put in your efforts in complex data structures. So first you should understand what the purpose of data structure and how these will works. Choose a programming language. So data structures are implemented in different type of programming languages. Multiple programming languages you can try to use to apply in data structures. So inclusive of C++, Java, Python and JavaScript. Anyone you may choose to implement these data structure components. So start with the basics. The beginning of the structure of such as array creations, linked list, stacks, queues, understand the properties of operations, algorithm manipulations such as practice data structure concept by choosing a programming language and doing and implementing in the data structure way of implementation is highly required for practice. Solving problems from coding websites such as LeetCode, HackerRank, Code Forces. Here there is a real-time examples are available where you have to focus and practice. Then advanced data structures. Once you have a good understanding of basic, move into the advanced such as trees, graphs, heaps, hash tables and many more. Read and watch the tutorials. Many of the online resources are available nowadays to solve your problems, making your own resources and understanding of data structures and more. Not only reading and the similar way, not only watching a video simple. All you have to put your efforts on hands-on sessions by writing a code, by solving the problems you have to. Working on projects. Project involvement using data structures such as web crawler, graph data structure, algorithm which you are going to be applied in your project in a structured way. These are essential to understand very clearly how data structure, how algorithm, how you are going to apply. So taking a step-by-step process to complete by learning this architecture way, then you will be master in data structures. So that will be give you like a more command on programming in any programming language or any software application development. Algorithm is nothing but a standardization process to solve a concern or a particular problem statement. So start today. Have a great experience in coding. If you feel this video lecture is helping at you any point, do subscribe and support us. Thank you.